Hello, Ngok. Are you okay now?
Yes.
In a while, I missed you. What happened to you last weekend? Fever? You have high fever? Are you okay now? Did you drink a lot of water, baby? Okay. How are you? Did you go to school today?
I thank you. How about you?
I'm fine. I am very energetic. Baby, I want to ask you again. Where are you in Vietnam? What?
Tuần này mới cưới nè, mình ngồi mình rảnh cái mệt ra mới đám cưới mệt đó. Trời ơi, cái cuối cùng
Where is Quantum, baby? Hold on, baby, hold on. I will tell you my location will be. You know this, baby? Why? You know that?
Vậy hồi đó đang dạy ở trường đó mà con của tôi hồi đó vui đi về trường đó con xong rồi mọi người đi đến cuối hồi đó cũng ai rủ ai đi xong rồi về đó cái sao rồi nó sao mình nói biết sợ dẫn mình ra chứ là nội ai cái gì á giống như là sao á giống như là mình làm gì phải tội á lăng qua lý sao á ai cũng người xếp gì chứ xếp mời đông đây gì chứ
Okay, let's start our lesson. Are you ready? Hold on, baby. I am pulling out the lesson. So our lesson is Unit 52B. Last time it's 52A, right? Okay. Liar. So we are almost finished, baby. Ah, we're done with this, right? Am I right? Okay. Hold on. Done. Ah, yeah. So, sorry, I did not see it, but I mark it. 50 or in 52, right?
Tôi nhắn cái gì trời, con nói 6 giờ, 8 giờ đi, cái còn nhắn cái gì nữa mà nhắn. Mẹ đi học này nào nhắn cô, này nào hỏi cô à. Thì tự ghét đi chứ. Bây giờ lên cái gì muốn vô rồi biết là không học rồi đó. Nhớ là không học rồi. Đứng hả? Nó lười học. Đúng rồi, nó lười học luôn. Vậy đó, lười học. Chạy đâu. Còn này nhắn đâu mà ở đây chặt cũng
Hold on, baby. Okay, let me pull out. 52C, sorry. Teacher doesn't know how to say the alphabet. A, B, C. So the next is C, not D. Okay, teacher is confused because I have lots of students today. Okay, speaking, baby. This is easy for you. Okay, so Tess will be speaking. So, baby, of course, I know your family, but tell me about your family. Your mom, your dad, your brother.
My family has 5 people. They are my mom, my dad, my brother, grandmother, and me.
Okay.
My mom is a teacher.
Okay.
She works at Văn Lem Primary School. She kind and she.
Okay.
My dad is a teacher too. He is work at Nguyễn Văn Cừ.
Then?
He is very brave.
Okay. How about your brother?
My brother is a student.
Okay. He is?
He is study at Sao Mai Kindergarten School.
Okay. And what can you say about your brother? Is he funny? Is he naughty?
He is very talkative.
Like Simon? Hi, did you know Simon is, I am very happy with Simon, baby, because he got the 92 for he is second honor. Look, I'll show you. Last Saturday, they show me who are the honor students. Look. Deborah, Simon, Lawrence. Can you see it?
Yes.
And his grade on first quarter is 93.143. He is second honor.
Wow.
And my eldest son, Vincent, he's also in the honor. Look. Deborah Vincent Anthony, 92.5.
Wow.
Oh, I am very happy because my two kids, my second son is not yet, the grades are not yet released because there are many teachers are not yet given, the teachers are not yet submitted the grades. That's why I don't know it yet. Oh, I am very happy, baby. Okay. Now, do you like camping?
Yes.
Have you ever had a camping trip before? Maybe let's practice this one. When I ask you, do you like camping? Yes, I do, because the question is, do you? So you have to answer, yes, I do, or no, I don't, okay?
Yes.
Okay, do you like camping?
Yes, I do.
Have you ever had a camping trip before?
No.
No, I haven't.
No, I haven't.
Okay. So I will not ask the next question because you never had a camping before. Try it, baby. It's a very exciting. You're going to sleep on inside the tent, even though it's very hard. Uh, I experienced that with my kids. We slept inside the tent. It's very painful because of the because you're going to is to sleep on the camp tent, and my back is very painful because it's very hard. The bed that we use is very hard. But it's exciting because it's very nice. We are located near the beach. That's very exciting. I am with Simon. No, Simon is not yet been born. I am with my two kids, my kuya, my eldest and my second son. What do you need to bring when you go camping? So baby, example that you are in a camp. What do you think are the things that we need to bring during the camping?
When we go camping, I think need to bring
What?
torch,
And yes, what else?
food, and drink.
Of course, maybe personal necessities like toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, shampoo, etc. Pillows, mosquito repellent because there are many, mosquitoes, right? So these are just example. Okay, find the difference, baby. Baby, as you can see, look, you can annotate it. This one, you can use the annotate and circle the difference, okay?
Bóc rửa được dạ.
The annotate and then draw this one, and then you can circle the answer. Find the difference in the picture, okay? The two pictures. Go, baby. Hello, baby brother.
In picture 1, the blue tent is open. In picture 2 is closed.
Yes.
In picture 1, the man sitting under the trees is playing guitar.
Okay.
In picture 2, he is sleeping.
Taking a nap, okay.
In picture 1, 2 cows is on the left.
Okay.
In picture 2 is on the right.
Okay.
In picture 1, in the lake has 2 ducks.
Again, baby.
In picture 1, in the lake has 2 ducks. Picture 2 is 3 ducks.
Ducks. I thought dots. Huh? Dots?
In picture 1, the cow is on the left.
Okay. In picture 1.
In picture 1, in tent, yellow tent open, it have 2 backpacks. The green is bigger. And
Opposite, baby.
picture 2, in picture 1, the valley
Okay.
is under the tree.
Okay. Under the tree. Again, baby, what is it?
The valley.
Valley. What's that, baby? Check it, baby. What's valley?
Is suitcase.
Ah, suitcase. This one?
Yes.
Ah, it's suitcase. Why is it valley, baby? That's the word for Vietnamese word?
Yes.
Can I have your valley? I learned something new today. Okay, next.
In picture 1, the man standing is wearing a blue
Short.
short.
Yes.
Picture 2 is red. In picture 1, the boy standing is bring food.
Yes.
Picture 2, he's bring dishes.
Yay. Okay, how about the clock? What time is it in the clock? They are not the same. It's what time is it, baby? 11 and then 2, right?
Yeah.
And the suitcase is here while this one is here. Okay. Okay. The bike, what's the difference between the bike?
The bike in picture 1 is white. Picture 2 is black.
Yeah. Oh, I did not notice it, baby. Promise. I keep on looking. What's the difference? They are the same. Yeah, I realized when you said it's black. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, that's it. Very good, baby. Okay, now, can you read it, baby?
Daisy and Lucy both have some new shoes. I don't know anything about Daisy's shoes, but you do. So I'm going to ask you some questions.
Okay, they said both have some new shoes. Wow. I don't know anything about Daisy's shoes, but you do. So I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay. Let's have this one. Were Daisy's shoes cheap or expensive?
Daisy's shoes is expensive.
Oh, what color are Daisy's shoes?
Daisy's shoe is black.
When did she buy them?
She buy them last Saturday.
Do her friends like her shoes?
Yes.
Where are her shoes now?
Her shoes under her bed now.
Wow, okay. How about Lucy's new shoes? Were Lucy's shoes cheap or expensive, baby?
Lucy's shoes is cheap.
What color are Lucy's shoes?
It has blue color.
It is blue color. Next, when did she buy them?
She buy them last Friday.
Do her friends like her shoes?
No, they're dirty.
Where are her shoes now?
Her shoes is in her cupboard now.
Cupboard, yes. Okay, now, baby, let's analyze the pictures first. Okay. These pictures tell a story. It's called Vicky and Michael and the Clowns. Just look at the first picture. Just look at the picture first. Vicky and Michael want to go to the circus. Their dad is saying, first put all the oranges in the box. Then we can go to the circus. Now you tell the story. Look at the first one. What is the story? What is the picture tells about?
The dad say first put all the orange in the box.
Yes. They're going to pick them up all in the trees? Okay. Next, the second picture.
They can't put all the orange in the box. Then the two clowns go to there and put them in the box.
Okay. So maybe in the second picture, they are thinking, how are we going to put them all in the box? We are going to be late in the circus, right?
Yes.
The third picture.
Two clowns helps Vicky and Michael put all the orange in the boxes.
Okay.
Picture 4, Vicky and Michael say thank you. The clown go to the circus.
Okay. So the third picture, the two clowns help Vicky and Michael to put all the oranges. Is that oranges, right? In the box. And then the fourth picture, they said the clown said goodbye. And the fifth picture, baby.
Vicky, Michael, and their dad go to the circus and see two clowns.
And Vicky and Michael watch the show of the two clowns. Oh, this is a nice story, right? Okay, baby, let's start it all over again. Vicky and Michael want to go to the circus, but their dad said, their dad is saying, first, put all the oranges in the boxes. Then we can go to the circus. After that, that Vicky and Michael are thinking on what are they going to do to get the
What do they do to get all the orange in the boxes? They can't put all. And then the two clowns go to there and they help Vicky and Michael put all the orange in the boxes. Then two clowns say goodbye to Vicky and Michael.
Okay, and then
that Vicky and Michael go to the circus and they see the clown and they watch all the program
okay.
to clown.
Okay. Okay, now let's try this one. There are still lots.
There are still lots of orange on the tree.
Oranges, baby, oranges.
Oranges on the tree. The children are tired. Vicky can see some clouds. The clouds are helping the children. Now there are lots of oranges in the bushes. The bushes are full of oranges now. Vicky and Michael are saying goodbye and thank you to the cloud. Vicky, Michael, and their dad are at the secrets. They are watching the cloud.
They're watching the clouds. Wow! Very good, baby. I enjoyed our lesson today. So what can you say about the lesson?
Is funny, exciting.
All right. Hold on, baby. Let me look at the next one if it is long. If it is long, we're going to...
Ái là ở đâu vậy nè? Oái nè. Đây nè.
Ôi.
Okay. Let's start our 52. This is long, but it's okay. Can you see? Okay. Read it, baby. A different
word.
Okay. Wow, we're going to learn about a planet. Oh my God, science. Choose and write the sentences. Complete the story. Can you read it, baby? Mars
Mars is
has,
the
first one, Mars has 2 moons.
Mars has 2 moons. It looks red from space. The red planet. Mars is the 4th red planet from the sun. It is smaller than Earth. It looks red from space. Mars' surface is very dry and rocky. Mars has the largest mountain in our solar system. It is Olympus Moon. It is 24 kilometers high. Mars has 2 moons.
Okay. They are Deimos and Phobos. Do you know their story, baby? Deimos and Phobos. Okay, read and match, baby.
Mars is smaller than Earth. Mars' surface is dry and rocky. Mars has 2 moons.
Okay, this is very easy. Mars is smaller than Earth. Mars surface is dry and rocky. Mars has 2 moons. Whoa. Okay, baby, read all the moon. What are the names of the moon? What are the names of the planets?
Mercury.
Mercury, baby. Mercury.
Mercury. Mercury. Earth.
Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Uranus.
Uranus.
Venus.
Venus.
Mars.
Mars.
Saturn.
Neptune.
Jupiter is very big planet. Look. And Mercury and Saturn.
Whoa.
Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus are all bigger than the Earth. While Neptune, we don't know if they are the same, right?
Yeah.
Mercury is very small and it is the nearest planet on the sun, right? In the sun. Oh, it's hot there. Oh my God. Earth? Can you read it, baby?
Earth is the third planet from the sun.
Okay.
It has one moon.
Okay.
There are many oceans on Earth.
Yes.
There is life on Earth. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun. It is the largest planet in our solar
System, baby.
system. It has many small bands
Hands.
on its surface. It has 4 large moons and many small moons.
Saturn.
Saturn is the sixth planet from the second largest planet from the sun. It is the sixth
Six.
planet in our solar
System.
system. It has beautiful rings.
Rings.
It has many moons.
Okay. This is easy too. Okay. Read and match, baby.
It is the sixth planet. It
From the sun? Oh, teacher is correct. It has beautiful rings.
it has beautiful ring around the planet.
Yes. There are 8 planets.
There are 8 planets in our solar system.
There is life
There is life
on Earth, baby.
on Earth.
Because they said that in our planets, only the Earth has life, right? In other planets, everything is there, no life at all. I think one planet. I forgot the name of the planet because some scientists went there and they put some plants there and the plants is alive. Okay, I put it in your room, baby. Mars is smaller in the sofa
And Earth.
on Earth. Jupiter is the largest planet.
In our solar system.
Yes, very good. Okay. Okay, check the mistake, baby. It have, so that number 1, the wrong is it have. It has many moon. Number 2.
It is small. It is smaller than Earth.
Smaller than Earth.
There are 2 moons. Moon.
Okay. Number 4.
It look It look red from
It looks, baby, right?
it looks. They are like clear. There is.
Yes.
There are waters on earth.
Okay.
There is what? There is what? It is first planet from the sun. It is the first planet from the sun.
Okay. Okay, complete the chart. It's already answered the next one.
Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus is a little smaller than Earth. It is called the morning star or evening star. It rains on Venus. The rain is acid rain.
Read it again, baby.
Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is the hottest planet in our solar system. It is a system. It is a little smaller than Earth. It is called the morning star or evening star. It rains on Venus.
Oh, it rains on Venus. The rain, the rain is acid rain. That's bad. Acid rain is very bad for our health because it will affect, it affects our system, body system. Okay? Maybe I will put it in Zalo to make this your assignment, okay?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Because the admin Infantado is talking to me. Why are you not giving assignment to PK754? Okay, I will give. They are actually they are talking to me. Why you're not giving a homework to PK754? They are asking me. So maybe I will put it in Zalo, okay? So that the QZ, because they are talking to me, page 10. 52C done. 52D, page 10. Okay? So I will put this on Zalo so that they will see that I am giving you assignment, okay?
Yeah.
Did you receive it, baby? Okay, so maybe we're going to continue it on Thursday, okay?
Yes.
Do your homework, baby. Okay? Do your assignment, okay?
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye, teacher.